Hello and welcome to another Royal Reviewer channel episode. Please subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. On the 5th of April 2018, the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall met the Governor of Queensland, Mrs de Jersey and Dog Gavel, at the start of Day 2 of the Royal Visit Australia. As a puppy, Gavel was trained to be a police dog, but then took up a position as vice-regal dog. The Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall have today met competitors of this year's Commonwealth Games in the athletes' village on the Gold Coast. The Commonwealth Games Village will host 6,600 athletes and officials, providing them with residential, retail, recreation, dining and medical facilities during the Games. Their Royal Highnesses met athletes in the Games room, tested out the table tennis kit and then attended a prosthetics workshop to meet technicians and para-athletes. In the afternoon, their Royal Highnesses visited Broadbeach on the Gold Coast to meet members of the public and find out more about some of the community projects in the area. The Prince of Wales unveils a plaque on the Commonwealth Walkway. The 10-kilometre walkway is the first of its kind outside the UK and starts at Southport Chambers and finishes at the City of the Gold Coast Council Chambers. Their Royal Highnesses met students, being awarded for outstanding contribution to marine conservation, with a presentation of surfboards. Camilla chose to go barefooted. Their Royal Highnesses also met students and saw displays on artwork around a BINS programme, microplastics and marine litter, and beach drills to support active and positive engagement with ocean sport. The Prince and Duchess then met representatives of Surf Life Saving Queensland, which encompasses life-saving services, community education, surf sports, fundraising and commercial training. Little Nippers gave a demonstration of the surf skills they are learning on Broadbeach. Queensland mainland coastline stretches 6,089 kilometres, and there are more than 780 accessible beaches, with 30 million visits to Queensland's public waterways each year. Finally at Broadbeach, the Prince of Wales and the Duchess of Cornwall met the Commonwealth Games Team Wales and their supporters. In the evening, the Duchess of Cornwall visited the velodrome to see some of the preliminary and final races, as well as give out some medals. First up, the Duchess presented medals for the men's 1,000 metre time trial parasport for the blind and visually impaired. Well done to Team Scotland, Team Wales and Team Australia, as well as all athletes taking part. Next, the Duchess presented medals for the women's team pursuit. The velodrome is Queensland's first indoor velodrome and houses an international competition standard 250 metre timber cycling track, with its facilities catering for a range of cyclists and a number of indoor court sports. Meanwhile, the Prince of Wales visited the Optus Aquatic Centre to present the medals for the men's parasport 200 metre freestyle. The Prince also presented the medals for the women's 200 metre freestyle. And finally, the Prince of Wales also met Olympic swimmer Sam Riley in what has been day 2 of the Royal Visit Australia. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a big old thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, then please leave a like, comment and share on social media. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest channel uploads. From me in Shropshire, goodbye.